Hi friends, this is Liz. Good morning. It's a beautiful day here in Puerto Rico and I'm about to run some errands. I just dropped off my son. He's taking the SAT and getting himself ready for his senior year next year and to start picking out what universities he wants to go to. I wanted to do a what's in my bag with this Deauville tote, and since I have a few errands to run today, it's a few things that I would like to get done and then at the end of the day go to the gym. But I wanted to share what's in this bag, and this is a pretty new bag to my collection. I took it with me to a week in Hawaii and that was amazing. It held enough where I would spend the whole day out of my hotel room, but today, like I said, I'm running some errands and I want to share with you what's in my bag. So the reason that I say that is because I plan to be out for a bunch of hours and I just need to have everything I need. A lot of the things I do put in my car, but let me show you what I'm starting off with here. Before I get started sharing what's in my bag, if you like this sort of content, if you love fashion, a little bit of luxury and some lifestyle, be sure to hit that ring bell notification so you can be notified every single time I upload a video, which is usually on Sundays and Wednesdays. Let's get started. This is the Chanel Deauville tote in the smallest size. This one I believe is the mini and it is perfect for me because I'm only 5'2", so the dimensions are perfect. I feel that you still look put together, you still look stylish, you still look chic. It's not a big overwhelming bag. I love it. So far, I give it 2 thumbs up. And I did get a message when I unboxed this video. By the way, there is an unboxing video if you're curious, a little bit more information about this bag. When I unboxed it, I did receive a message wanting to know what fits inside. Now that makes sense because you want to know, is this a bag that's going to work for my lifestyle? So like I said, I'm going out today, Saturday, to run a few errands, and this is what I have in my bag. So let's get started. See, the first thing that you see, of course, we all have a phone, right? That is the iPhone 12. Then I have my Zoe wallet. This is kind of like a step up from a card wallet because you can fit a lot more. There's a place to put your cash, which usually the small card wallets don't allow for that. And I love that it does have space to have all your cards, and it has a little back pocket. It has a zipped area for your coins. I just love this wallet. And I've seen it in so many different ways. I've seen it in different canvases. I've seen it in different leathers. So if this is something that you like, I would say yes, because it is a good one. Now, the next thing I have are sunglasses. Now, I tend to buy so many different kind of sunglasses, but I still stick to these original sunglasses. These, I guess, very, very basic Ray-Bans. I love these. I feel like they fit my face, and I know that people like really huge sunglasses, but I think these are just like so nice. No bells and whistles, just a simple pair of sunglasses. So those are my Ray-Bans, and I have this soft little holder, sunglass holder, that is perfect for a lot of handbags because it's not those hard cases that it leaves it very difficult to fit anything else once you put your sunglasses in their case. But this Ray-Ban case is super easy to put in a lot of different bags because it's soft. The next thing I have, I don't know, I have like allergies going on, and I usually am not this organized, but I happen to have tissues because my nose keeps leaking. And then the next thing I have, of course, are little hair ties. I have this one here, and hair, and this clip. So those 2 little things, because you never know, you want to pick up your hair. I have my car key. And the last biggest thing I have is this little makeup pouch. This came with a former bag that I had that I no longer have. It was a mini bucket bag. It was like one of my first Louis Vuitton bags. I no longer have that bag, but this came with it. And I still have this. I love it. I use it in a lot of bags. And I use it just kind of like a little makeup bag. And I want to share what I have in there, if it would open. Okay, I have this. It's called Fenty Beauty lip gloss. It's called Fussy. It's like a pinky nudie color. And then I have, because I like to blot my skin because I live in Puerto Rico and constantly you're gonna be dewy, sweaty, and you just want to like mattify it a little bit. I have this Jouer. It's like a little blush palette. It has a pinky shade and then a more like a bronzy shade. So this one I use every single day. This is the lip combo I have going on right now. I have this MAC Spice lip pencil, and then I also have, I think this one is called Dulce, oh no, it's called Tres Leches, and it's a beautiful, I'm trying to find it again, I've been on Amazon. It's an intense butter gloss by NYX, and it's called Tres Leches. It's a beautiful pink color. If any of you use this, you know this is a nice lip gloss. So I have that combo on right now, the Spice lip liner, this lip gloss, and then another lip gloss on top, because you can never be too glossy in the lips. This is like the oldest thing from Walgreens. And then of course for girly time, I know, TMI, right? This, I usually enjoy the sports one. They're just more comfortable. And then of course a panty liner. And I have this Band-Aid that looks like it's been through hell. But I have it just in case you're wearing a pair of sandals that are making you very uncomfortable. So I'll put that all back in, and I'll show you what it all looks like inside my bag so that you can see all of these things fit comfortably in that little tote. And like I said, I usually carry mini bags, but since I know I'm gonna be gone for the entire day, I just packed a little extra stuff so I have everything I need for my day. But let's grab the bag again and go ahead and throw everything back in. So it's that makeup bag, it's my wallet, my sunglass case, phone, and of course you can always purchase an organizer, my tissues, and my hair ties. You can purchase an organizer if you want to be a little bit neater about it. I'm okay with having everything in there because it's not such a big bag. So you see everything fits very nicely. It's not too heavy now that everything is in. And that's what I have in my bag for my Saturday morning as I go around Puerto Rico taking care of all of my errands. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching, I just saw a recent What's in My Bag with Salma Hayek and her daughter, and it was super entertaining. I don't have as many snacks and other things in my bag, but I'm trying to keep it real. This is what I would really carry every single day. Let me know if any of the information was helpful to you, because I do try to make these videos with a purpose of sharing some kind of information that might be beneficial. And in this case is what fits in the mini Deauville tote. Thank you so very much for watching. I appreciate your precious time. Bye.